What's up, everybody? Welcome to Redline Outdoors. How y'all doing today? I ain't done this in a long time, but I got some free time and I want to go squirrel hunting. So let's go squirrel hunting. How many of y'all out there still like going squirrel hunting? It's a good time. It's a great way to get kids started in the outdoors. It's a great way to get yourself in the outdoors, get some steps in, and have a great meal. So y'all join me in the woods. Let's go hunting. We're on the board. Got us a nice female cat squirrel. Let's put him in our bag. I was starting to think I wasn't gonna kill anything. I just spooked another one right here. I got two big beech nuts right here, so I may hang out right here for a minute. Well, I really don't need but about 3 squirrels to make a meal, something like that. I'm gonna chill out right here for a minute. Got us a nice male fox squirrel. I heard him from a long ways off and I did a little creep on him. Just dry out here. He kind of tolerated me coming up there to him, so about a 30-yard shot, something like that. Knocked him out the tree. So there we go. All right. I've been kind of slipping through these creeks back here because these leaves are so dry. I didn't see any more over there where I killed that first one at, so I moved on. But there's a lot of sign in there from those squirrels eating on those beech nuts. So I may hunt my way back that way. It's beautiful out here. It's hot. It's probably mid-80s right now, but didn't really want to go deer hunting today, so we're just out enjoying the evening. Glad y'all are with me. If we can get one more. That's the goal. One more. Alright, y'all, we did it. He come out of that beech nut. I've been slipping around in these creeks down here and I ain't seen nothing else. And anyway, I come up here and I saw 3. So I said, what the heck, I'm gonna sit under this tree. Got beech nut right here in front of me. He come out of nowhere. He probably come out of that red oak right there. I was heading over. He was in the treetop of this beech nut, probably 10 yards above my head. Man, that's fun. That brings back lots of memories from whenever I was a kid out here going squirrel hunting. That's where most of us cut our teeth. That's where most of us got our start. Squirrel hunting. Well, we got our 3 squirrels. That's all I wanted. That's all I need to cook. So y'all stay tuned and I'll meet y'all in the kitchen. Let's go get this squirrel. Alright, y'all, it's about lunchtime here at the fire station, so let's go in the kitchen and let's cook these squirrels up for lunch. Alright, y'all, here we are about to get started cooking these squirrels. I've got my squirrel right here. They've been marinating all morning long. There we go. They've been marinating all morning long in Italian dressing and a little bit of seasoning. And for my batter, I will be using chicken fry. I like the spicy New Orleans style, hot and spicy. That's what we have right here. And I've got 3 eggs here for an egg wash. I'm gonna whisk those up. Then I have my fried daddy here. We're gonna go ahead and start heating that baby up. Want your grease around 375, somewhere in that range. I am going to quarter up these squirrel in halves because that's a kind of a small fried daddy, so I don't want to put the whole squirrel in there. Alright, y'all, for video purposes, I'm just going to work on 1 squirrel, and we're going to start with the hindquarters. We got some good meat on this hindquarter, and then we'll be able to do a taste test of this fried squirrel. So let's go ahead and put it in our egg wash. Get you a nice coating inside your egg wash. Get in the inside, that's where the loins are and all that. Alright, then we'll go straight to the batter. Again, I'm using Zatarain's chicken fry mix, the New Orleans style, hot and spicy. Then we'll get a good coating. There we go. Then we're going to go back in the egg wash one more time, just a light. Okay. Now back to the batter. Y'all see that? Shake that off. I'm gonna let that sit right there. Then I'm gonna do the front quarter. Okay, y'all, we are knocking on 350, probably approaching 360 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this hind quarter of this squirrel in there. Remember, I just cut these in half. Got them nice and battered up. There we go. Nice golden brown hind quarter. We're gonna let that rest a while, and I'm gonna go ahead and start working on these other quarters, and we'll be eating here shortly, but I'm gonna let that piece rest before we do a taste test. Alright, y'all, it's time to eat. Let's try out the hind quarters on this squirrel here. Dear Lord, thank you for this day, and thank you for this food, providing it for me, and thank you for this squirrel. Amen. Whole. Alright. Alright, y'all, here we go. We got a piece of that squirrel meat and a piece of batter. Here we go. That batter, y'all gotta try it. They're hot. They got a great flavor to them, not gamey at all. Make sure you chew them slow. Anyway, I appreciate y'all tuning in to Redline Outdoors. Make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave. Hit that like button, a notification bell, and I'll catch you on the next edit. Y'all have a great day. God bless. Bye.